Welcome to the annual Trade and Investment Conference, hosted by the Trinidad and Tobago Manufacturing Association. This year, the TTMA is celebrating a quarter century of promoting and assisting businesses in the manufacturing industry. With over 200 booths, the conference features diverse businesses across the globe, featuring the latest in manufacturing processes and innovations.
It's an opportunity where we really bring everyone from large businesses, medium businesses, small entrepreneurs, and even startups or people who have ideas who are looking for opportunity to understand how you move an idea to a product, right? This allows them this opportunity.
I mean, one of the biggest things for me that stood out is there's this whole strip with a lot of local culture. And for me, and there's so many people that is not from Trinidad and Tobago, and being able to display that for different people, it's really amazing that people could come and see what we have to offer.
The goal is really, how do we bring all like-minded individuals and companies together under one roof and really understand how we do better business, how we allow better opportunities for small entrepreneurs, how we help entrepreneurs develop and grow their goals and their plans. How do we have export markets? How do we increase exports, right?
As we wrap up this milestone event, we look forward to the growth and development of the manufacturing industries within Trinidad and Tobago and beyond. So until then, stay connected, stay innovative, and keep driving forward.